Polarization is rising, societies are drifting apart, and radical narratives are gaining influence. But how do these divisions form, and why do people often not realize they are becoming part of them? To make the dynamics of polarization tangible, together with an international team of experts, we developed a hands on role playing game based on agent based modeling. What you'll need: 10 to 30 participants, about an hour, some paper and paper clips. The game starts with a short video that sets up the storyline. Students meet Mel and Ian, who live in a fictional city of Bridgestone and who disagree on whether a new bridge should be built in their town. Students then role-play the citizens of this town, discussing the issue and observing how the situation evolves. Students are given paper rulers with paper clips that mark their initial opinions on the issue. Then, they walk around, exchange opinions with each other, and change their opinions according to a set of rules, tracking the changes with the help of paper clips. You can play 2, 3, or more rounds of the game with different starting settings in order to experience various scenarios. After each round, participants gather round and check how the group's opinions have shifted. As the discussion unfolds, students experience firsthand how quickly groups form, positions harden, and divisions deepen, and how openness and perspective-taking can reopen dialogue. The game is designed for universities and schools, and it brings the mechanics of polarization to life. It sparks discussions on how this process works in real life and what can be done to prevent it. You'll find the full toolkit for the game at socialpolarization.eu.